Bing Crosby's old house just hit the market in the Bay Area, and they are asking a massive $40 million. Bing and his wife paid just $175,000 for the house back in the 1960s. It's been in the family ever since, but the home has now hit the market after Bing's wife, Catherine, just passed away last year. I'll tell you this, it definitely is an estate. We've got over 13,000 square feet here and over 5 acres. The approach is amazing, and for how old this house is, very well kept. It's wild inside. Just look at all this wall paneling and look at the detail on this staircase. There's just so much history here, and it's a style that I'm not necessarily all that familiar with, but it's very cool flipping through these photos and just thinking about Bing hanging out here and probably coming up with some of his tunes here. We've got 11 bedrooms, 15 bathrooms. I mean, you guys tell me, 40 million at first glance kind of sounded like a lot, but is it worth it?